To use Marvel, you need to go to this website. You then will click on the A to Z index. Then on the left-hand side of your screen, this will come up and you will click on Academic One File. Search bar will come up. Please use very simplistic language. The basic search is the better. So for example, if you were wanting to know what the nursing job outlook for the United States would be, you could be jobs for nurses. Do basic searching. Once you check out whatever you're looking for, so I did nursing job outlook, start reading they're called abstracts that are here for you. Okay. Once you find one that seems like it fits what you're searching, for example, this one, it says industry experts are predicting a promising decade for those in nursing careers. Click on it. And then you can read the text. If this is the one you want, then you need to download the PDF. So I would click on download PDF. Do not just save the URL. It will not bring you back to the actual article, I promise you. Additionally, to keep the citation, click Citation Tools, click on APA, and it does the citation for you. Copy and paste this and put this at the end of the document on whatever you are using, hopefully Google.